Hey friends, every family has their own story. Welcome to mine. Welcome to Mommy J's World. Hey hi, this is Mommy J and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Mommy J's World. ये मेरा पहला वीडियो है YouTube पे गाइज. एक बहुत ही स्पेशल दिन पे जा रहा है. आज मेरा बर्थडे होगा जिस दिन ये वीडियो जाएगा, तो आप अपने ब्लेसिंग्स और लाइक्स देना मत भूलिएगा. तो प्लीज आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक बहुत ही वर्सेटाइल रेसिपी, तो इसीलिए वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना. और ये रेसिपी है पनीर टिक्का इन अ बीटरूट रैप रेसिपी गाइस. ये बहुत ही स्पेशल रेसिपी है क्योंकि मेरे बेटे ने जब इस रेसिपी को अपने स्कूल के मास्टर शेफ में प्रेजेंट किया था तो उसे फर्स्ट प्राइज मिला था. ऑब्वियसली ये रेसिपी बहुत ही यमी होगी. तो आप इसका एक नॉन वेज वर्जन भी बना सकते हो. आपको बस पनीर से चिकन को रिप्लेस करना है और आपका चिकन टिक्का इन अ बीटरूट रैप रेसिपी रेडी हो जाएगा. और ये इक्वली ही यमी बनता है गाइस. तो इसीलिए इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना और मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. So let's get started with the recipe. Let's head into my kitchen. Okay guys, so this is my first video on my YouTube channel और मैं बहुत excited हूँ. तो आज हम फ्रैंकी बना रहे हैं. तो I am just preparing for a फ्रैंकी dough. फ्रैंकी का जो आटा है रोल का, रोटी जो होती है फ्रैंकी की, उसकी प्रिपरेशन करेंगे हम सबसे पहले. तो इसीलिए मैंने ये आटा लिया है. ये मैंने 50-50 रेशियो लिया है. मैंने इसमें हाफ कप मैदा लिया, हाफ कप आटा लिया है और मैंने इसमें थोड़ा सा नमक डाल दिया है. ओके, और उसके अलावा हमें लगेगा, आप ये प्लेन भी यूज कर सकते हो एज इट इज. उसके अलावा मैं यूज कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे बीटरूट प्योरी. ये बस मैंने बीटरूट को उबाल लिया है और उसको मैंने मिक्सी में ब्लेंड कर लिया है. तो ये हमें एक स्मूथ प्योरी मिल गई है. Hey guys, let's get started with the Frankie dough. Now here I have kneaded a dough for the Frankie roll. I have used maida and whole wheat atta as well. I have took a equal proportion like 1:1. And I've added boiled grated beetroot. You can also puree the beetroot. I was running short of time, so I've just grated the boiled beetroot into it. A little bit of salt and oil. That's it. And kneaded a roti dough. So now so guys, this are the Frankie rotis. You can also call them tortillas, which are available outside readily. And I've made this using the kneaded dough, the beetroot dough. You can use this rotis also for making quesadillas. You can store this rotis in the fridge and you can use it for long. So this is the next step guys. I am making a Frankie. As you know, it's a veg Frankie. So this is the stuffing of the Frankie. Here I have used 200 grams of paneer which are cut into cubes, and this is the marinade which I am using. I've added 1 cup of yogurt, curd. On that I've added Kashmiri red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, little bit of cumin powder, and the red one is my basic red chili powder which I used in my daily cooking. That's Malwani masala. And the next is coriander powder, and the other one is garam masala powder, and here it's turmeric. And I've added salt and as well as mustard oil. Okay, little bit of mustard oil to give that nutty flavor. So this is the marinade of the stuffing. So I'll now add the paneer cubes to the marinade. Now guys, as you can see, my paneer is already marinated for 35 minutes to 40 minutes around. Like you can keep it for 1 hour as well. Okay, I have added it to the pan with little bit of oil as it is. Now I need to just reduce the marinade. On medium flame I'll be cooking it, medium to low flame, and I'll make the paneer dry. Okay. Okay guys, now as you can see, my paneer is done. It's cooked. The masala is got dried. So it's done now. It takes hardly 5 to 6 minutes or maximum 8 minutes to get it in this consistency. So it's done now. And I just forgot to tell you, if you can also, if you want, you can add little bit of vinegar or even lemon to the paneer, to the marinade. But my curd was already a bit sour, so I did not added any vinegar or lemon juice to it. So I'm okay with that now. Now I'm going towards my veggies. To the same wok in which I cooked the paneer, I'm adding the veggies, the shredded veggies. Here you can prefer according to your preference. I'm using cabbage, carrot, capsicum and onion. So you can use this vegetables raw as well, but like we prefer it this way. My family loves it this way. So I usually toss them a bit for a minute in the same wok in which I have cooked the paneer, so that the marinade gets, nicely rolled with the veggies, and so it tastes even more good. It just hardly takes a minute, to saute. So make sure, if you want, you can have it raw as well, or even you can add it to the marinade. So guys, these are my ingredients for coriander chutney, which we will need for the Frankie. It's fresh coriander with stems, green chilies, preferably how spicy you prefer your chutney to be, lemon, salt and roasted cumin powder. So I'll just blend them all and I'll make a chutney. Even if you want the chutney to be a bit thicker, you can add little bit of peanuts to it. Okay, not the roasted one, the normal peanuts. You can add those peanuts to it. So guys, these are my Frankie assembles. This is the tortilla which I have prepared with the beetroot. This is cheese slice, preferably again. These are the tossed veggies which I showed you. This is the marinated and cooked paneer. This is the coriander chutney which I have prepared. This is a sweet chili sauce, so it also depends on your preference. This is chaat masala, cheese cubes, mayonnaise and the grater to grate the cheese. Now we're going to get started with the Frankie. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some mayonnaise to the base. You can even start with the butter, but we prefer mayonnaise, so I'm just adding a bit of mayonnaise. This makes the Frankie bit moist. It won't be tasting very dry, So now I'm done with the mayonnaise. Now I'm adding the green chutney. So this is the green chutney. You can add the chutney also according to your preference, guys, how spicy you prefer. Now it's done. I'll be adding a little bit of chili sauce to it. You can also add the tomato ketchup if you want. Otherwise, it's completely optional. Now this is the base done. Now what I'll do is, I'll first keep the veggies, the tossed veggies. Okay. So I'm adding this veggies to it. Now I'll add some paneer pieces. Even you can add the paneer pieces according to your preference. Now it's done. I'll be sprinkling a little bit of chaat masala on it, and again I'll be topping it with some green chutney and some red chili chutney, preferably according to your preference, guys. Okay, so it's done. Now I'll grate some cheese on the top. You just grate it as per your preference. And I'll also add some cheese slice. I'm adding some cheese slice. I'm just tearing it randomly and I'm putting it all over. It will give you nice creamy and cheesy, bite to the Frankie. Now I'll roll it. Now I'll show you how I roll it. Just take this two ends and just fold it inward, and then just keep it tight, guys. See. So here what I've done is, guys, I've just added a little bit of butter to the pan, to the tawa, and I've just placed the Frankie roll on the tawa. I'll just roll it from all the sides for 30 seconds to 20 seconds and it's done. I'll just make the side crisp and it's done. And this is the first Frankie which is ready, guys. You can see it's sealed from the sides. Now I will teach you the other method of rolling the Frankie, guys. Now I have already assembled it. I have already applied the chutney, mayo, the stuffing and everything. And now I will show you how to roll it. Just fold the Frankie from one side and just go rolling it. Okay, this way. Okay, so what it will do is roll it tight. Okay, now what it's going to do is, see here, it will show you the stuffing here. It will show you the stuffing. Okay, and it will be easier for the one who eats the Frankie. Okay, it's sealed from the other side, and you can just always roll it in a foil and you can present it. This is the way of folding the Frankie the other way. See here, you can see it. So I've just wrapped it in an aluminium foil and it's ready to serve.